What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Zach's Wildlife channel. Today we are out here fishing our homemade lures. Me and the wifey, we are gonna see if they actually work, how they work, and hopefully we can get some fish on, because I got a bet at work with someone. $10 says I can't catch a fish. I said, you're on, so let's get it.
I should be the one with the GoPro on.
Looks good. It's rotating nicely. All right. Spot number 2 with the spoons. Into the tree. There goes my spoon.
You lost it? Is it in that tree?
No, it's right over there. It's that glare in the water right there. I think I'm gonna have to get out.
I literally thought it was up to your hips. Can you touch? It's right behind you.
Can't see it.
I can't either with all your waves. Any fish in there?
That's what I'm afraid of.
This is where you caught your world's biggest northern. Oh, and there's... my face almost went into that spider web. Oh, it's right there. Right there. I see it. You're literally like 2 inches away. It's gonna go under you. But you're bit out. Can you see it? Yeah. Cora, no. She literally wants to do whatever you're doing. The police are coming to help you. How's it going? We made homemade fishing lures and he lost. Not detrimental. This is what I live for.
I messed this up so bad. All right, I lost my spoon in the river, but Jenna can still save the day with her spoon. I'm gonna be throwing a spinnerbait. It's all up to her now. Pressure's on. You think you got it?
Sit. Drink.
Oh!
Are you filming? Look at Daddy.
Little northern. Wish I had my spoon. Little northern. Oh, did you see that?
No.
He's right here. Look, look, look. Oh my.
Oh my gosh, that is hilarious.
He was looking for it that whole time. That's awesome. Look at the fishy. You got the pliers already.
Oh my god.
Here, just move the baby. I can flip him. There. He followed the lure to the top, and I did like a little figure eight next to the boat, and he totally hit it. That was so cool. Is he bigger than you, Cor? Let the fishy back. There he goes.
Say bye.
You see him? Is that so cool? Follow.
No! I'm right here. I'm right here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh my God, no, that's with the lure we needed it with. All right, so we didn't end up catching a fish on our lures, but we did end up catching some nice fish. We were out there 5.5 hours and we caught 3 fish, so not a great day. It was actually kind of a tough day on the water, but I was determined. I still am determined because 3 fish in 5.5 hours really is terrible. So I'm gonna try it again here in the future. The spoons acted as they should have. They were great in that regard, but they just couldn't trigger that bite, even though we had a couple follows. So anyway, that's it for today's video. I appreciate every one of you guys for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos every Thursday, and if we can in between the Thursdays, Zach out.